Now let's try subtraction. Let's say we subtract 54 from 278. We have 278 and we want to subtract 54. So how do we arrive at the answer using decomposition? So first what we do is we decompose the numbers. So for number 278, this is equal to 2 times 100, since there are two hundreds in this number, plus 7 tenths, since there are 7 tenths in this number, plus 8 ones, which is also equal to 200 plus 70 plus 8. Now, let's do the same thing for the next number. That's 54, which is equal to 0 100s, since there is no number in the hundreds place, plus 5 tenths, plus 4 ones. And this is actually equal to 50 plus 4. And of course, this is 0. Next, we are going to subtract the different values for each place of these numbers. So let's write it over here. Let's just draw lines to separate this part from this part. So for 278, we have the expanded form here. That's 200 plus 70 plus 8. And we are going to subtract 54. Well, there's no number in the hundreds place, so let's just put a 0 here. Plus 50 plus 4. And we got that from here. So let's just draw a line to separate our answer from the decomposed versions of our numbers. So what we do is we subtract according to place. So we're going to subtract the hundreds separately from the tens and separately from the ones. So 200 minus 0 is still 200. 70 minus 50 gives us 20. And 8 minus 4 gives us 4. Now these numbers actually compose the different values of the different places of our new number. So we can just put a plus here and a plus here. So our new number is 200 plus 20 plus 4, which is 224, which is the answer to this question. 278 minus 54 is 224. Now it's also the same way for subtracting large numbers, like let's say 13,577 minus 11,324. So first we rewrite these numbers into their decomposed forms. So for 13,577, that's equal to 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 7. While 11,324 is equal to 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 4. And we are subtracting 11,324 from 13,577. So what we're going to do is we are going to subtract each value of each place individually. And so we got the 10,000s place, 1,000s place, hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place. So let's just put a line to separate our decomposed numbers and our answer. So 10,000 minus 10,000 is 0. 3,000 minus 1,000 is 2,000. 500 minus 300 is 200. 70 minus 20 is 50. And 7 minus 4 is 3. So these numbers are actually the values of each of the places of our new number. So we can just put a plus here. And if we add all these together, it gives us the result 2,253, which is the answer to this question. 13,577 minus 11,324 is equal to 2,253.